What's the most painful thing someone has ever told you or that you've heard?
Okay, so I had this friend in high school, and we stopped talking after a while. Like I would give her advice, and we stopped talking after a while. And someone went to her and asked her, "Why you and Jenny stop talking?" And her answer was, "I don't need her to make my decisions for me anymore. So I'm my own person." And I was just like, "Oh, so the friendship was just, me giving you advice. That was it." And it was like a little painful.
So you thought she was your friend, but she wasn't your friend, you
Yeah.
know?
Like she literally, basically what she was saying is that she spoke to me because I gave her good advice. And then after that, like after reaching a certain age, I guess, she decided that she doesn't need my advice anymore. So she stopped talking to me. But I thought like I did something or like something happened. But no, that was her response.
So you found this out after the fact?
The person came to me and told me that. No, like a week after she said it, she was just like, "Yo, Jenny, I know why you and so not talking anymore." And I was just like, okay.
So so did you guys sort it out or you just don't talk to them anymore?
Well, she trying to talk to me now, and I guess I don't know. I'm not upset with her or anything, but we'll see what happens.
Oh, okay.
Well, it was my ex, I think, and he was saying that people tell him that I'm a whore or whatever, when not never really go like that. He just take one thing and he led to another, and because he was doing shit, it's like he kind of just spin everything on me. But yeah,
So like so you guys broke up because of that?
kind of sort of, but that added to it.
Oh, it was just stuff piled up on top of.
Yeah.
So did you talk to him about it or you just accepted it?
Yeah, I spoke to him about it, but it's him, his way or the highway. He's just like, oh, but this brother said this, and the brother they said that, oh, and she said that, and he's your friend. I'm like, brother, okay.
So your friends told your boyfriend that you're a homie?
They weren't really my friends, they were just people in my circle.
Oh. So how did you deal with that?
My friend helped, my actual friend helped,
Oh.
and my mommy.
Most painful,
Yeah.
painful thing I've heard or somebody told me.
Someone reach it deep down.
Yeah, brother. Thinking in high school, dog. Them telling me the shot at like 4 feet 9.5 inches, bro. Girl said, you're nice and everything, but you're too short. I don't want to be with you. And I say, cause when I used to them thing like that, cause in a prep school, man, the shortest youth,
Yeah.
I ain't never a problem. And girl say, yo, you're too short, you're not liking everything, but you're too short. And then it's a recurring thing like every other girl I say, yo, you're too short, dog. Things start paying me, dog. Me I say, no, brother, I'm a grow, dog.
So what did you do about it?
Start this time yoga, dog. Brother, I start this time yoga, start Google thing. I'm lactose intolerant, slightly. I start drink milk, brother.
They say it was worth it.
Brother, of course, man. I'm 5'7" now, from 4 feet 9.5 inches, bro. Of course, dog.
So you don't feel no way about it now, like
I like
you
tall
pre those girls?
What?
You pre those girls for saying that you're short or
I seen, yeah, I pre them cause, dog, the tall man, them I give them one, brother.
they say you're a good guy.
Brother, I'm an angel, dog.
Ah, dog. What's the most painful thing you've ever heard or that someone has told you?
I had the guy that I like a boyfriend that I had. He came to me and like it was after we broke up, and I asked him because every time like I started talking to someone else, he would always like message me back and try to talk to me. So then I asked him like, you broke up with me, so why is it that you keep on trying to talk to me? And then I was just like, so what's the reason as to why we broke up? And then he's just like, number one, you talk too much. Number two, you care too much. Number three, the relationship really wasn't going anywhere.
How did that make you feel?
Honestly, he said that to me like a couple months after, like the whole incident happened. So I mean, it kind of hurt me less, but I mean, it still hurts, you know. Because I don't think that I mean, yeah, I talk a lot.
Anya
Yeah,
Uncensored?
I'm Anya M. I have a podcast called Anya Uncensored. Yeah, check it out on Apple Podcasts, Spotify, and Anchor FM.
Okay, so did you deal like how did you deal with it?
Honestly, after that, I kind of came like a brick wall, and like I kind of stopped like talking less. Like I kind of became a little bit more antisocial in like my relationships with not just like family members and friends, but like in actual relationships like with other guys. So yeah,
So it's had a deep impact in our
very very deep impact. But now my God in the earth still.
mad. Most painful thing you've heard or that someone has told you?
Oh, okay. I mean, it's really stupid, but like when me and my sister like we're cussing or fighting, and she tell me that like my parents never want me, and then like later I found out that they never want me. Yeah, like my father was like, "We have enough," but my mother was like, So that's how I'm there.
So how did you deal with it?
My mom for everything.
So you talked to your parents about it afterwards or?
No.
So how did you deal with the situation?
I don't. I just know. Say them never want me, but I'm here.
You slept there for them?
Yeah. Chop chop.
Okay.
The most painful thing that I've heard someone tell me. I can't really pinpoint one thing, but I feel like the most painful things that have been said to me are by like my parents.
Like what?
Telling me I guess they're not proud of me, I'm a worthless and thing. Basically making me feel like the black sheep of the family, but I get used to them things. Like I'm the only boy. You see me? So I don't meditate nowadays, you see me? Because I get used to it. I'm gonna get the most trouble. At the time it was really depressing, I'm not gonna lie. And it did get to me to the point where, typical Jamaican teenager want to run away and them things, you see me? And don't look back, just wake up in the morning after a beating last night and say, I'm not talk to them. But say I forgot to talk to them because you will get licked down again, you see me? So yeah.
You talk to your parents about it or?
No. You can't talk to them about it. Jamaican parents, dog.
So you did talk to them about it?
I tried. I'm going to be honest with you, I tried one time because it came to the point where my mother put me out 3 times, you see me, in the summer, one summer, you see me? And I tried to talk to her, you see me, but it's like, whenever I get through to her, so from then I just give up. And just, you see me?
So if your parents saw this right now, what would you tell them? Like, honestly, like, them can't talk to you.
Them say the pre, man. Them say the pre, you see me? So, them can't say nothing to me. We done past the stage of like, I'm not past the reasoning stage, but I'm done past the stage of like having the energy to like put in actual care. If you get what I'm saying.
Yeah.
Not disrespectful or anything like that, but yeah.
Understood. Mad. Painful thing someone has ever told you?
From a family member. I remember we were arguing back and forth about my clothes being revealing, and I was saying that it doesn't matter what you wear, men going to attack you. And like she she said to me like, go make them go rape you out there since it's that you want, because you don't want to change how you dress. And yeah, that was really painful. Like I almost cried, but I'm not going to cry in front of her.
So, did you tell the person about it?
Oh no, I didn't. I don't like sharing my emotions with her sometimes.
Oh, so how did it make you feel like?
The fact that I'm really close with that person, like it really hurt, and I did not expect something like that to come from her.
So you say you don't talk to them about it like that?
No, it doesn't make any sense, because they're going to start bringing up all sorts of and all sorts of other stuff, and I really can't bother with.
So guys, it's your boy Singzima out here. I hope you enjoyed that video. I just wanted to take the time out to say thank you for 5,000 subscribers. We're on our way to 10k in 20. You see me? We'll just keep leveling up. Don't forget to smash the like button, subscribe, and share this video. Follow me on Instagram and Twitter at Singzima. Yeah, comment down below what you guys want me to do next. And I can't thank you guys enough for 5,000 subscribers. It means the world to me. So yeah, next time.